After working hard so tirelessly at the gym, I just come home and think of what to eat. And today I want to go for something kinkish, something very nutritious and very healthy. So just watch me and learn. These are the basic ingredients needed to make the Kpakpo special. I started the Kpakpo milkshake when I was in tech. I tried to use that to get money, and I used to sell it for 5 cedis and everybody bought it. Okay, so we're done with the milkshake. We are now about to do its accompaniment, which will be vegetables with ketchup and with eggs. It's a full balanced diet. It's got the vitamins, it's got the minerals, it's got the protein, it's got everything. They always asked me the ingredients, which I never told anyone, because you try and do it, you don't get it. But in this case, I showed it to you all, so you should try and do it when you can. Okay, so guys, like I was saying, this is Kpakpo special. Oh, wow. I've got my to-go pack, and I'm still jamming on this. So, yeah, link up.